Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can manage location history. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Gmail app on your phone. Then after that, you can click on your profile button on the top right corner of your screen. It's over here, just tap on it. Then you are going to click on manage your Google account here. Then after that, you can click on, wait guys, it's still loading. You can click on data and privacy. It's over here. Then you have to scroll down until you find location history. And it's right here. And if you want to turn off the location history, you can click on this option. And after that, if you want to turn off the location history, you can click on this turn off button right here. Then you can choose either you want to turn off or turn off and delete activity. Okay guys, and that's how we can manage location history on our phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.